Howdy everybody in YouTube land. I've got a lot of projects here to work on that we might be doing some upcoming videos with. So, I have those car amplifiers that you saw in previous videos. The guy come and picked them up and he dropped off a bunch more of them. So, I have that monster, which I probably don't have any room on the bench to look at. I have, looks like some old school HCCA Orions in here. Directed designs. Let's see. There's a there's a precision power amplifier we get to look at. Rockford False Gate. If this is any clue, we're gonna have some fun with that. There's some more in there. Some kickers. Can't really see them all. There's some. Let's see. This is my repair kit for that receiver there. Let's see, got some Alpines in here we got to look at. Another Rockford Falls Gate, a couple more of those. Oh, another audio pipe. Not sure what that one is yet. Made in USA. Oh, okay. Don't see that much anymore. So I got a pile of those to work on. Got a big thing of these to work on. There's some even newer ones I haven't even seen yet. Now, I've never seen that one before, so some newer stuff in here. Some older Alpines. Yeah, so we're going to have quite a bit more videos to be doing. If anyone, eventually I got to do a video on here. I got to do a video on this. This is an issue because this has a digital filter for the output section that's bad. And those are a sealed potted module, so you can't do anything with that. It's real noisy, and if you squeeze on it, it cleans up one of the channels. So the only solution to fix this is either find a parts unit, good luck there, or more commonly, well, I wouldn't say common, but more likely, I'm going to have to engineer a new 7-pole or 8-pole active low pass filter to fix that potentially. We'll have to look into that. Anyways, so that's what we have on the docket for repair. If anybody wants to see any of this stuff, please leave a comment on my on this video that I'm going to upload, because it takes time. I'm not very good at videos anyway, but it takes time to record a video, stop and start, prepare, the footage and things like that. And I'd rather just fix the stuff and get it done. So if anybody really wants to see me work on this stuff, let me know and I will do the best that I can. I bought a grip to put this phone on a tripod, but the issue is, ideally, in the ideal world, I'd like to live stream these repairs. But the trouble with that is I live out in the middle of nowhere, where most people's 500 meg, 600 meg bandwidth, even gigabit, just doesn't exist here. It's a pipe dream. Here, I get 10 megabit download, 1 megabit upload, and it's the best you can get. So, it's not happening. It is what it is. And my only alternative is Frontier DSL, and that's even worse, like way worse. Oh, yeah. Not good. Oh, I remember I picked up these a long time ago too to try to make scope clocks out of, and just never did. So yeah, I got some stuff to do. So if anyone wants to see it, like I said, just feel free to leave comments in this video and let me know. Meanwhile, I need to finish this thing here. Finally got my parts in, so I should be able to start working on this thing here shortly. It's the Thanksgiving holidays. I'm debating on when I want to mess with it, because I really hate these things, and here's why. These things use those stupid wire stakes where they twist the wire on the stake, and it's, this is the days before plugs were not invented, so yeah, they're all over, and I do not have these wire wrapping tools. And even if I did, you'd have to cut and rewrap that wire anyway. And then not to mention, as time goes on, I'm sure those are going to be the source of a lot of intermittent problems anyway. So I got to figure out how I'm going to approach repairing this. I also need to figure out if I want to record the repair, because with that new tripod thing I got, if I want to record myself pulling all the parts out and replacing them, which is kind of pointless. I really don't want to do that. I don't want to create this crazy time-lapse video, but anyways, I got to figure some things out. So it's just a quick project update video, and yeah, nothing special. So if you've got any comments, please feel free to leave them. Thank you for watching.